It's about time. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to Retro Tuvi. As you can see, my voice is really fucked. I don't know why. What's going on with my voice? I think I'm getting sick, but here we have the bike. I think you guys already know what this video is about, as from the title. Both of the bikes are going to find a new home up in Pompano, so it's about like an hour away from me. I know I said I probably wasn't going to be selling the bike in the last video, but I kept it up. People still kept hitting me up, and well, I finally got someone that is knowledgeable enough and interested enough to want to pay full price. Well, full price now because I've dropped it a couple times, but anyway, that is, we're gonna give it a quick little start, probably adjust the brakes a little bit, and as for this chassis, well, it's just a chassis, it's just what it is. I'm just gonna throw it on a truck. It's as is. I'm throwing in a lot. I'm throwing in basically, this is a hell of a deal. So if you were in South Florida and you didn't take it, my bad. But it was a hell of a deal. I'm like throwing in hella parts, like just chain sprockets, the old tires, so you could change the setup whenever you want. And yeah, the tools, obviously that's their issue. But yeah, we're gonna bring this out. We're gonna start it, and we'll go from there. But yes, the bike is about to be officially sold. I mean, it's pretty much an hour away, so I hope it is. So let's get to it right now. Right, so now I just did a quick little run on it. As you just saw, it starts perfectly fine, starts literally immediately with choke on. Just take the choke off, let it warm up, and it's perfect. So thank God I fixed that earlier. So I'm just gonna tweak the brakes a little bit. The brakes are a little finicky, but after that it's pretty much set. After that we'll load up the second chassis, the extra parts, and we'll be on our way to deliver it to this guy. Alright, as you can see, we got the bikes all loaded up, ready to go. Now it's just time to make the close to hour drive, deliver it to the guy, and I hope he likes it. He seems like he knows quite a bit, so I just hope I just hope this bike goes to like the right person, bro. It sounds stupid, but like, cause like not everyone knows about how these things work, and I just hope it goes to the right person. I'm gonna say it right now, for those of you that are gonna be super mad at me for doing this, I'll explain later, but it's just a matter of, you know, just time period, you know, just in Spanish, épocas. It's just, you know, I kind of grew out of them, really. If I want another bike in my life, it's gonna be a real bike and something I could actually have fun on. This, I kind of just grew out of it, really. So thank y'all for understanding, and yeah, let's get on the road. Alright, I think we have made it, boys. I think we've made it. Here it is. Mira, tiene una moto también, mira, está parqueado afuera. Coño, mira, este tipo, si tiene una también, dale. Alright, we are here. let me go meet up with the owner. I don't want to film his house or a lot of his shit because, you know, it'd be kind of disrespectful. So I'll pick it up when I have the okay to get it.
¿No estarán en una de las otras?
No, esas llaves son viejas de esa parte de acá.
Alright, sure. I'm not gonna have any problems with it, right? I mean, like, I'm not gonna take it for a ride. I'm not gonna turn off. I had to see it for like a minute, like for much of it. I fixed it way after.
Ok, papi, déjalo así. Déjalo en 500.
Keep it halfway and it'll slowly just like, not slowly, but it'll bring it around.
Get up to speed, yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Now I'll take care of it and yeah, man.
What are you gonna use it for? You gonna take it to work or something?
Yeah, I'm just gonna just do it.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's all.
That's super nice.
Maybe down to the beach. The beach is always like.
If you have any issues, just tell me.
I will, man.
And
I know, you know, it's not, you know, it is what it is. I know what it is. You know what I mean?
If you have any issues, like any questions about it, contact me.
I definitely will. Thank you, brother. God bless you, man. Thank you so much.
Mamá, ya, ¿cuánto? 40 videos. ¿Eso te haciendo? 40 videos de YouTube. Porque lo inventé cuando tuve 14 años. 14 años y pregunté a mamá, mamá, quiero comprar un motor. Un motor de 2 tiempos.
Ese hijo estaba chiquito. Mira el otro. Mira, es más claro, lo que pasa es el sol. Ese es el sol que
Yo le dije a ella que it's for you, man.
There it is.
Yeah, come on, bring it back. Thank you again, man. God bless you.
Enjoy
Right?
Yo antes hacía, ahora hago mucho cosas de cable, pero mira, yo tengo, todo esto es la moto esa, mira. Ejemplo, mira, esta. Oh, there it is, guys. The last you ever see of it. I mean, I got the guy's contact. The guy's in love with motorized bikes. So I'm super happy. Bro, this couldn't have gone any better. The guy loves motorized bikes. It's going to a good place where like he loves the bikes, and he has another one right there. And I'll throw a picture up of the picture we just took right now. He's gonna post it. I'm just so happy in general. I'm so glad that it's going to someone that cares about it and stuff. And if any issues he has, he's gonna hit me up. And if you're watching this video, I hope you enjoyed the bike, dude. And it's been a pleasure working with you, bro. It's been nice. And yeah. Just know that the bike was in good hands. I took care of it, man. I fixed like as much as the things that it had as possible, you know. So yeah, well, that's really gonna be it. Let me show you guys. Check it out. Got the cash, more than enough than what we need to finish this build. Well, not finish the build, but keep the build going at least. And yeah, well, that's gonna be it, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and hope you guys are not too mad at me. Catch you guys the next time. Peace. Hey, don't you fucking dare. Don't you dare pull out on me like that. Hell no.